eggs and milk, flour mixed. We're gonna place it on a wire rack. Double dip it to make it extra crispy. Like how it swings. It swings like this. My hands. Dip it in. Why is the water orange? The blood. I'm running out of flour. I'm running out of flour. But seriously, I'm running out of flour. Okay. There's.
I don't like to be on camera. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Shark attack!
Sure, because this one is for cleaning the couch. For one kid, somewhere.
Let me just do.
It's really easy to take out of the box and use. But we can't find where the attachments go. Where to store the attachment. Stay there? Kinda. Oh, see? I think